You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. As you stroll along the famous Malecón in Puerto Vallarta, you're walking through the cultural heart of one of Mexico's most beloved coastal destinations. Stretching along the sparkling waters of Banderas Bay, the Malecón blends ocean views, public art, music, and local life into one unforgettable seaside promenade. Puerto Vallarta first began as a small fishing village in the 1800s, but everything changed in the 1960s when the filming of the movie The Night of the Iguana brought international attention to the city. Today, the Malecón is lined with iconic bronze sculptures, colorful street performers, artisan vendors, and inviting cafes that capture the city's creative spirit. As waves crash against the shoreline and the Sierra Madre Mountains rise in the distance, every step offers a mix of history, culture, and tropical beauty. Whether you're visiting during the day or at sunset, the Malecón delivers the vibrant energy and coastal charm that make Puerto Vallarta such a memorable destination. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.